Let's do a sketch with me. First, let's do the messy sketch. It's low-key good, but okay, let's keep sketching. Challenge for you guys. You guys have to, if you're an artist and you're watching this, you have to draw the same thing that I'm drawing right now after this video, okay? Now let's fix the messy lines. This, and then this, and then here. It's really good. But now let's switch into ball pen. It's actually a glow pen, so okay, we did it. Let's remove it. Why is it kind of removing the ink? See? It's kind of blue. Okay, I removed it all. Okay, that's a good sketch. Let's get started now. I literally thought I made a hole. Let's do it.
Parang karelasyon niya na dapat magiging magkasama sila na magkakatulad. Problema.
Okay, I already did the eyes. I deleted the other part because I realized I didn't record it, but never mind. But this is how it's going right now. I know it kind of looks flipped, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little winky face because I always do that. And then
Yun yung babae. Yun yung gusto niya babae. Magkaano sila kaso lang. Wala eh. Mahal na mahal niya yung babae. Ginawa niya. Ginano niya.
on the bangs now.
Tapos siya pa naghatid dun sa altar nung kinasal.
On the hair.
Ito yung babae. Wala siyang alam. Mamamatay na. Mamamatay na siya.
Yung lalaki.
Lalaki.
Okay, this is how it's
Gusto rin yung
going.
lalaki talaga. Ay, nung babae. Yan siya gusto niya.
I'm sorry
Kaso
if it looks bad.
sabi niya, wag na ako. Sabi niya, wag na ng iba, ganyan niya. Hindi niya alam, mamatay na yung lalaki.
Hindi yan Netflix.
YouTube lang yun.
And then,
Wala na, yung Netflix nyo, iba na yung Netflix ngayon eh. Pagka sa ibang household, nadedetect niya na eh. Kinikick out ka eh. Bawa, ibang device. Gaya, nilagin ko yung account mo dyan. Kikick out niya ako. Sabihin niya, you're not, yung household.
SNDC Casio lang mayroong Netflix yun, di ba?
Hindi, kahit yung kay May ang
Okay,
ginamit ko
guys,
dyan.
around
Kay
the
May
legs
ang
now.
ginamit ko eh. Kinikick out pa rin. Ganun na yung Netflix nyo.
So, pero may Netflix pa rin kayo dyan?
Wala na.
Wala na.
Netflix.
Hindi na nga kami
Here's the
makalagin.
results.
Tapos kinikick out kami ng household.
Bye!